Ready for another fun story, sweetheart?
Yay! Let's go to Little Melody Town!
I put on my socks and one shoe too. Pull the straps and tuck them through. Sissy did it and so did I.
Kitty claps and gives a high five.
Let's try it together, you and me. What can you do? Let's look and see. You can say I got to say it loud. Raise your hand if you're feeling proud. I can do it, watch me go. All by myself, nice and slow. Look at me, I'm brushing bright. Up and down, left and right. I zip my coat and pat it flat. Kitty's got a tiny hat. We grab our bags, we're on our way. We can do it every day. Let's try it together, step by step. If we fall, we try again. You can say, guys, give a cheer. Raise your hand if you're standing here. I can do it, yes I can. Big kid moves, that's my plan. Tie my laces, brush my hair. Kitty purrs, you're almost there. Sometimes it's hard, but I don't stop. I try again until a giant grin, a little clap. Me and Kitty did all that. I can do it, now you try. Give it a go, just reach up high. We're big and strong from head to toe. Let's say it loud, watch us go.
That was so fun, Daddy!
Let's sing again tomorrow, okay?
Okay, bye friends! See you in Little Melody Town!